QT4-40 manual block machine is an easy-operated brick machine. Any workers can operate this block machine after short-time training. The block machine price is cheap, suitable for small investment. QT4-40 hollow block machine productivity is 2,880 pieces of 8-inch hollow blocks per day. The QT4-40 manual block machine can produce many different types, sizes blocks, or bricks like hollow block, solid brick, interlocking blocks, curbstones etc., by changing different block mold. The QT4-40 brick machine is simple, so its installation is easy operation, and cost is low, at the same time.